6127 Satre? We're on a cul-de-sac here. As you can see, it's really pretty down there. We do have weeds in various neighbors' yards. For example, this neighbor, but that house looks nice, and a lot of the houses, like this neighbor, for example, looks nice. So I personally think this property has a nice feel to it. It's older ceramic tile at the entry, but the carpet itself looks new. We'll go ahead and head off to the right here. There's vinyl in the laundry room. A cleaner garage. The light works on that fan. Not sure if the actual fan works. That's a water softener, which we would have removed before renting it out. The walls look white to me. The walls look to be in good condition. A linen closet in the toilet area. There are two exits to the backyard. So this is the master bedroom. It has the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, little tiny pavers or cement block. Another fireplace, and these windows all have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. We have vinyl in the kitchen. I couldn't get that slider open. These blinds are looking yellow, discolored. Maybe they can be cleaned, maybe they need to be replaced. Paint showing a little bit of wear since it's been previously painted. Jenny might say to paint over it to freshen it up and to give it an updated look. We already have a space saver microwave, which is great. An eat-in area down there. So it's a dual-sided fireplace. We have vinyl in this bathroom as well. So this room, we have vertical blinds, which would need to be replaced to match the rest of the house. That door was really heavy. And we have a fan for the top arch. That's interesting. And we'll see what Jenny says about leaving it, but definitely replace the verticals with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. So that's the property.